My name's Kamila and I'm the head of QC at GORAL, here at GORAL, whichever you like. I'm not perfect. So the aim of checking the shoe throughout the process of packing is making sure that the shoes leave perfect when they go to our customers. We want to make sure they're happy with the product that they're getting. We don't want them disappointed. However, every client also has a different taste. Some like the veins, the natural scarring, they like to see it's made from an animal, and some expect a perfect shoe by no scarring. Everything is checked by hand, yes. The elements, when it goes through the stitching process, that's checked by a stitching lady who's in charge. The lasting guy is also responsible for the quality of the shoes that leave his room, and then I'm responsible for the shoes that leave this room. So there's quality process on every department, every stage of the shoes that they go through. So technically I should have nothing bad. We can't be perfect every time, yes, but because we do a lot by hand, leathers are really hard and strong to stretch everything by hand. So a lot of the imperfections are actually where the shoes are made. My name's Kamila and I'm the head of QC at GORAL, here at GORAL, whichever you like.
That's what we want. We don't want the perfect, we want the Kamila. That's what we want.